I can do. You're gonna have to do a data talk with them in a moment, and because I don't have access to their scores, you do.
Copy.
Let's see if we improved from yesterday. Oh, there's Gabe. I was wondering what happened to him.
Your internet gave out, Gabe.
All right, and I think it's already 9:05, so I can just stop this timer. All right, Rush, you're up. I'm gonna choose who you want to do norms.
Yes, sir. I really wanna catch Kanesha up because I know Kanesha missed some time. So Kanesha, I wanna help you get some points. Maybe catch up. So you can read off these norms.
No one, number one, no one has the right to hurt another person. Education in the classroom are sacred. We will never behave in a way that will discredit ourselves, our school, or our family. An Excel Academy Southwest student always acts with integrity. We take pride in Excel Academy of Southwest. We respect the opinions of others. We respect the culture of the classroom. We are attentive and participant. We have high expectations of ourselves, our peers, and our teachers. We are here to focus on preparing ourselves for post-secondary endeavors.
Good job. GGI Townhouse, Monday through Friday, 11:15 a.m. A lot of interesting topics, points being given out by Mr. Tyler towards your assignments. So I would take full advantage of it. Um, Also, this is where we make our announcements for things that's going on, things that's happening. So yeah, definitely be there so you guys won't be lost on what's going on. You can get in tune with the latest data. Raspberry Pi kits, if you don't have one, please let us know. If you do have one and something's wrong with it, please still let us know so we can get that replaced. Um, the only person I'm aware of so far that don't have one is Kanesha, but hopefully someone's still coming up today to the school to get it at around 10. So if y'all don't have it, please let us know so we can get you one. Go ahead, Gabe, read this.
Every Wednesday and Thursday, learn the code from the convenience of your home and get extra credit for some of your classes. Pandemic effect on the job market. Why learn the code? The surprisingly broad benefits of coding. Interested in the link at for.
Good job, Gabe. All right, go ahead, Jalen.
Data has students be able to complete the evaluation in SB. Hello, all experienced students, welcome to class. Inside the SB, you can access all pre-recorded videos of each class. These videos are normally rated by 4 p.m. daily.
Good job. All right, Kanesha, you can read this, Kanesha.
What is it? MIT Scratch and Microsoft Make Code projects are required daily. Most projects are possible to complete on a cell phone, however, functionally will be limited. An actual personal computer is required to take full advantage of the course. Computer science is a graduation requirement for the state of Illinois. via the Board of Education. For questions or concerns, email me at mtyler@camelotforkids.org.
Um, Go ahead, Jayla.
Today's just to still be able to analyze everify endeavor software to be able to analyze perfect
Playlist,
playlist
just error.
concepts. Yeah, playlist concepts. Some term day as mathematical operators or day-to-day insights.
Okay, Rush,
Good
next
job.
point. You can share your screen. I'm gonna stop sharing so you can do a data talk. Miss Archie, you want to click on the link in the chat and use a registration code so that you can join the class in this software so you can at least get something accomplished. Take a moment, click on that link, and register as a new student. I'm gonna stop sharing. And I'm gonna
Yeah, y'all
fix
give
this.
me 1 minute.
Yeah, supposed to be playlists. There we go. Fixed it. Now, where are we at? So while you guys are waiting, the next. Are you ready, Rush?
No, almost.
All right. So while he's doing that, you definitely want to be in your Endeavor software, and I'm going to view courts. Get that ready. Okay, it's running.
All right, I'm almost ready. All right. Report endeavor.
All right.
All right, let's see what on the list so I can see. Okay, we're going to look at Stucky. Let's see where Stucky at. Oh, yeah, let me share my screen.
Yeah,
Next.
it's better if everybody sees what's happening.
Mm-hmm.
And Robert Johnson just arrived, so I got to put this in the chat again for him. You need to register the link, Mr. Johnson. There you are. Okay, there we go. It's in the chat for Johnson. Again, Archie and Johnson should be um, making sure you click on the link so that you can register for Endeavor software with that code. You can't do this the activities with us today if you don't register with that link. All right, let's see what we got. Okay. Uh Jalen. Oh Lord. All right. I gotta call home because you're playing video games. Dude, you didn't get nothing done. You promised me you get something done. All right, go to the next person. Make sure you hit refresh first so it's accurate when you go in the system. So go to Stucky one more time and hit refresh. I just want to give him one last chance. Refresh grades. Okay. You
Hold on,
still,
what one is that one?
you just data champions, sir. Okay. Stop playing the video game. Get your work done because it's showing in your scores. Um, who else we got? Whose name is this, Rush? I can't see. You scroll up some. Oh,
This Gabriel.
oh, okay. So I'm gonna stop talking and let you tell them what they got so far.
Yeah, so so yeah, data champions, you only got 20, Gabriel. That means you ain't touched really do nothing. Or
That's the pre-assessment.
Yeah, you still get a higher score though.
yeah, you
And
got
20
20.
is a low score, Gabriel. That means you skipped questions and you didn't answer them correctly or something.
And you got a 60. So yeah, that's
So
not
when you
great.
guys are going through this stuff, you got to make sure you answer it correctly. You could go back in and take it again, but that's a low score. It's almost an F. So stop skipping over questions and do them correctly.
All right, so that's all that we got in this class. Besides connection, she just started, so she don't
All right.
even count
She's
right now.
registered. That's on the ask who registered. Did Johnson register yet? Because he just came to class, but I don't know if he started the process.
Oh nah, he got to register.
Okay, so he's not available yet. All right. So look, we're gonna go through a new module. Some of you are already falling behind, and these are double project scores. So you need to be logged into the system. You can stop sharing, Rush. I'm gonna take them through the rest. Um, Let me reshare. I'm gonna do this with the audio tab, right? I hope this doesn't kill my resources. Share. There we go. And again, you have to be registered to even see the software as I go through it. Now, a lot of you are gonna be like, "Oh, it's too small," or, "Well, you should be logged in, right?" And here we go. So let's take a look at this very slowly. So far, we've worked on Game Development Studio, Data Champions, and now we're going to be going into create or a perfect playlist. All right, that's what we're working on for this moment here. So everybody should go here now, because I'll be halfway through explaining everything, and people be like, they don't know what happened or where I'm at because they was doing other stuff. I'm sorry, you got to keep up in class and pay attention. Now, let's see here. Gabriel, why is your camera black? Who is this texting me? Shouldn't have to hunt y'all down like this. Are you with us or you stepped away? There you are. All right. So just work on it, y'all, because as you get participation points, you lose some for not being in the camera. What we're finding is students are logging in and leaving the camera. So if I call on you several times, you don't respond, I'm going to have you removed and follow up with your parent. And I don't mind getting in touch with parents because I'm a parent. So be expecting that from me.
I just registered.
Okay, you're in the, all right. Did you find the course that we're in, like Endeavor?
Yeah.
Start it and come to the playlist, perfect playlist. Carmelo, because before I get started, I want to see how many people are actually with me, because we got 3 weeks left, and like a lot of people might have to take the course again. I'm just being honest. So Archie, are you at perfect playlist? I got a lot of phones off. Okay, raising your hand is not the same, Carmelo. You did that yesterday. I need you to speak or turn your camera on. You did that last time, and then you disappeared. So you do a little better. Where's your brother, by the way? Because both people supposed to be here in this hour. Okay.
I don't know where you at.
Yeah, I'm not hearing that. And I'm gonna have to talk to your people and find out why y'all don't know where each other
I'm
is and
at
y'all in the
my
same
mom's house.
house.
He's at my auntie's house. I
Okay.
do not
Well,
know what he's
well,
doing.
y'all need to both be in class, Carmelo. And technically, your camera's supposed to be on. So we're gonna fix that. Now, because if you keep disappearing, I mean, and I can't see you, it's gonna be an issue. Uh, Everybody's at perfect playlist. Kanasia, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. Are you at perfect playlist?
Hmm?
Are you at perfect playlist?
I'm on a quiz.
Quiz.
Yeah.
What do you mean quiz?
I said I'm on a quiz.
So you clicked on perfect playlist and you on a survey.
Yeah.
Okay. You got to finish that survey first. You're new. All right. So as soon as you finish it, as you see my screen, you have perfect playlist. All right. Now I'm gonna go into it. I gotta mute myself because it's gonna be an echo. All right. Snooze.
Sweet. Looks like HQ for a software company. Wonder what they build here. Hi there, we've been waiting for you. We could really use your help. Here's what's going on. Here at Soundly, our listeners depend on our algorithms to curate the perfect playlist just for them each week. Unfortunately, there's a bug in the code. Not a real bug, of course, just one that means the playlists are totally unreliable. As you can probably imagine, our users are not too happy about this situation. We're going to need your help to get things back on track. Your job is to analyze our listeners' preferences to make perfect playlists. Before you begin creating playlists, let's see what you already know about data analysis and recommendation engines.
All right, Rush, I gotta make some phone calls real quick. So can you take them through the questions? I'll change it, but same procedure you did last time.
All right.
Hey, Mr. Tyler,
Yes, sir.
we supposed to be doing the one with the music.
I'm gonna help you out. Yeah, playlist, but you need to focus because
That's what I'm doing. I
no,
ain't,
no, no, I know, no, you're not, no, you're not, no, you're not. You playing that video game, and I know you are. We're gonna get
no.
that together.
All right. So, Jalen, you can start us off. Read the question just like we did yesterday. Read the question and read the four possible answers. Jalen,
Yeah.
go ahead.
Oh, which of the following? I can't see that. Oh, I see now.
You can't see it because it's not on your screen.
Which?
You're supposed to be logged in with us, right?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, then you should be able to see it very well.
Which of the following action might contribute to recommendations you see online?
Read the possible answers, the four possible answers.
Rating a favorite movie on digital streaming site, searching for item using search engine person, a new T-shirt from online retailer, all above.
All right. So, you think it's all of the above?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Go ahead, Tyler. You can click that. All right. Hey, Rob, read this, Rob, and the four possible answers. Robert. All right. Go ahead, Gabe. Read the question and the four possible answers.
With collaborating, filtering users receive recommendations for items like by similar users. With collaborator, filtering users will receive recommendations for items are similar to the ones they already like. C, both A and B are true. D, neither A or B is true.
Which one you think it is, Kanisha?
See,
All right, cool. And Gabe, your original answer, you said it was which letter was it you chose?
I think it's A.
All right, we're gonna go with A, Tyler. All right, Kanisha, read the question and then the four possible answers.
online recommendation engines typically are based on collaborative filtering, B, correlative filtering, C, content-based filtering, D, both A and C. Do I answer? Or,
You said you think it's D.
no, I'm saying, do I answer?
Oh yeah. You can guess an answer.
I think it's C.
Okay. What you think it is, Gabe?
Yeah, I think it's C.
What you think it is, Jalen?
Uh, B.
All right. Go ahead, Tyler. We can go with the majority answer C. All right. Jalen, read this and the four possible answers.
information
Oh,
on
Cicero. Yeah, that is closer to the school.
is, is information that is a particular individual. Data filter recommended by, data filtering created by, user data created about, user data forgotten by.
All right. So which answer you think it is?
I think it's probably B.
All right. Read out the answer.
Is information that is data filtering created by a particular individual.
Okay. Cool. What you think it is, Kanisha?
User data created about.
Okay. So you think it's user data created about?
And that is. Yeah.
All right. Cool. Gabe, what you think? Which one you think it is?
B.
You think it's B? Read it out.
Data filtering created by.
All right. Cool. All right. And Rob, last but not least, what you think it is? All right. We're gonna go with B. We're gonna go with that answer. Okay.
I'm
Good.
doing a survey.
Okay. Cool. Good job.
Survey at the beginning.
All right. Good job. All right. Kanisha, read this one in the yeah. Click that, Tyler. All right, read this one and then read the four possible answers. Oh, well, never
So,
mind.
how will you know what song?
I'm sorry, that was my apologies. I was on the phone for a long time. All right.
No, it's all good.
Where are we at? So I'm just gonna click all of these. These are assessments, so there's no wrong or right answers. You got points for reading it with Mr. Rush. Now,
So, how
here we
will
go.
you know what songs to recommend for the playlists? You make recommendations every day. You might recommend a new snack to a friend or a movie to your cousin. You make these recommendations based on assumptions about what these people like or dislike. This is all data or information you use to draw conclusions and make recommendations. But how does this process work for people you don't already know? How do recommendation engines work? Online recommendations aren't all that different, but online recommendation engines use a lot more data and are typically based on online behavior. Take a look at this example product page and click on all the things that might factor into the recommendations you receive online.
Okay, so we go here. We got
When you rate a product online, you share your taste preferences. If you like something, a recommendation engine will serve up similar products. When you take an action online, like purchasing a product or playing a video clip, you give recommendation engines data points for future recommendations. Items you viewed, purchased, or used in the past factor into your product recommendations. For instance, if you are on a video streaming site and you've watched a lot of comedies, it's likely the site will suggest you check out other funny videos. A recommendation engine will follow an algorithm or set of instructions used to solve a problem. To process all of your data, compare you against similar users and make suggestions about what you might enjoy. How you interact with these suggestions helps to refine the recommendations. Good recommendation engines will use your search history to learn a lot about your likes, interests, and preferences. While a recommendation engine doesn't know you in the same way your friends and family do, recommendation engines learn a lot about you from your online activity. Every website you visit, video you watch, or song you listen to creates data about you and your interests. Recommendation engines are used for all kinds of online applications. Whether you need help choosing a movie to stream or discovering a new social media star to follow, recommendation engines are working to provide appropriate suggestions for you. Even the online ads you see are populated by recommendation engines. However, recommendation engines are only as helpful as the data they use. Before you begin making recommendations for our listeners, Let's make sure the songs in our database are ready to be sorted into playlists. Before you begin building perfect playlists, you'll need to be able to quickly sort through different songs. In order to organize and classify large quantities of music for online playlists, songs are given text descriptions and categorized by various qualities, such as genre, artist, tempo, and style. These descriptive categories are called metadata. Metadata can be displayed as tags, like these here. Each descriptive element receives a tag. To figure out how to categorize and tag this music, take a listen to these songs. How might you describe the musical qualities? Cheerful? Angry?
Okay, so now I'm going to go through and ask each person to participate and just to check, make sure people are here. Because not sure, I got some cameras missing. Don't see Harper. Don't know. Archie, are you here? Carmelo.
Yeah, man.
All right. Johnson, I'm looking at the ceiling. Are you present? Make sure you all know what we're about to do next. Okay, somebody come back like, what we doing again? Which happens a lot.
Yeah, which one are we doing?
Uh-huh, see? We're in perfect playlist. You came late, sir. So go to your Endeavor account.
Perfect playlist.
Yep. Only a couple slides already in. So I'm gonna play some of these music tracks and I want you to tell me what they are. Mute yourself, Harper. You about to take us through the slides again. All right. So try to catch up to us if you can. Now I'm gonna close this and then I'm gonna play it.
Based on what you heard, which tag best describes this track?
Okay, so it's like at least 5 points for at least attempting it. You can get 10 if it's correct, because this thing tells you if you're correct or you're incorrect. And I'm literally taking you all through what you got to do to get scores, because this thing is scoring you, so you can't just give it some garbage. Go ahead, Carmelo.
I was gonna say the answer.
Yeah, what do you think it is?
Uh, uh, happy.
Okay, so put happy there. You said happy, right?
I said happy or calm.
Oh, okay. We got to choose one, man. It's
All right,
happy or calm.
happy.
Okay, Lord. Good job. You got 10 points. Now, yeah, that's 10 points for your in class now. Y'all have to do this on your own and get it right in order to get the points that the system shows. Okay, just letting you know. So while I'm going through this and you're not paying attention to me, you're going to be missing some right answers, right? It's on you. That's why I said do it with me so you can have most of it done and you're not like trying to play before 8 o'clock at night trying to get full credit, you know? So look, we got Carmelo that got 10. We got 4 more opportunities. I'm gonna play this next track and you tell me what you think it is. All right. Raise your hand. Let me stop the music. No, what was that, Larry?
Country.
Yeah, sound like it. Let's see if it's correct. Okay, way to go. 10 points for you, sir. All right, let's go to the next one. Stucky. Oh, we got hands everywhere. But Stucky was first, so you get one shot at it.
That was it was calm.
Okay. 10 points. All right, 2 more opportunities, and we'll play this right here. This is tricky because we only got 2 options left. Which one do you think it is? Okay, I got hands coming up. Let me stop it. All right, so the first hand I saw in a while was Larry's at the top, so that means he was first. And then you guys came afterwards. Larry, you lowered your hand?
Oh, no, my hand was still up. I never lowered it.
Okay. So now it's Carmelo, and Carmelo lowered his hand. So Jalen, it's back to you, I guess.
No,
You lowered your hand, Carmelo. Go ahead. What do you think it is? Yeah, tricky. Which one do you think it could be? You play it again for you, or you said what?
Dance.
You said dance?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Not quite.
Oh,
Try a
five
different tag.
points. So that means it's got to be this one, right? All right, Jalen, you got your hand up, dude. It's only one more option anyway, right?
That's dance.
He started dancing.
Dance.
Okay.
Creating and assigning
5 points for
tags is
each
the
person. It
first
was
step
only one more
towards building
category
a great
less.
playlist.
They
You might not
both.
know it, but you interact with meta tags every time you're online. Websites and software applications use meta tags to provide more information about their content and products. Some tags, like those on blog posts, are visible when browsing, while other tags are hidden inside the code. This process of determining the correct meta tags requires you to think critically about the best possible tag for a particular song. Check out who else uses critical thinking skills each day.
This is the big point area. Now I'm going to keep turning down some opportunities. I want you guys to know what you're looking for in terms of these jobs and why we're learning this stuff, right? It's supposed to get you some type of money in your pocket so you can take care of yourself, so you figure out what you want to do. All right. Let's start here. Take a look. All right. So the very first one, you got to read both parts of each career. And the very first one is data journalist. All right. You got to read every box. And then I'm going to switch to the how to get there. And there's more. So this is a 50-point opportunity, just literacy, reading. And we want to see how well you read. Who would like to take advantage of this opportunity? It's the first career we're going to look at. All you had to do is read. So no one volunteer. Okay, Larry Harper raised his hand.
Oh no.
Oh, he can
Okay.
do it. David can do it. David can do it.
Okay, okay. Go ahead, Jalen.
All right.
Start with the first box and all the way, and then there's 2 projects in here. So
Data journalist. Right on the multi-data focus. Hold on.
write or edit
Oh, okay. Write or edit data focus articles, mm,
newspaper,
newspapers, blogs, or other media sources. Some sample projects investigate how weather data impacts transportation patterns. Report on marine animal behavior based on migration data. Bachelor's degree. Skills require writing, critical thinking, and analysis. Average salary $56,680.
okay. You're not done. You're almost through.
Oh wow. Starting today, analyze news sources you read regularly and determine data is used to tell a story. Classes take English, math, and communications. Down the road, join your school newspaper, add data, focus,
Reporter,
or write articles for an online bot.
blog. All right. All right. So I'm gonna turn this down because I mean, I like it, but I'm not real big on writing. I'm more on technology and science. So there's another 50-point opportunity. Great job, Mr. Stuckey. Computer support specialist. Who's going to do this one? All you have to do is read what's on the screen. I think here, Harper, you wanted to do it, right? You turned your mic on and off, Larry.
I said I'll read it, but my Everfile was still going on and talking, so I didn't
Oh,
know.
okay.
All right. Computer
Go ahead.
support specialist.
Computer support specialist. Yeah, go ahead.
All right. Help analyze, troubleshoot, and evaluate computer network problems. Sample projects. Help a computer user with technical help over phone or email. Education, associate's degree or bachelor's degree. Skills required, problem solving, active learning, or writing, and average salary $51,000, $51,570 a year.
Okay, and one more part to it. It should change for you. There it goes.
All right. Starting today, join a community service oriented club or at school program. Giving back may help you develop customer service skills and patience required for this line of work. Classes to take: computer science, communications, English. Down the road, teaching an older relative how to use a computer and its functions may serve as useful practice for guiding users through technical issues.
Very good, very good. That's 50 points for you. All we did is literacy. We read. All right, Larry, you got that one. Archie, I know Jalen read already. So here we go. Database architect. Kanasia, can you read this for us? You gotta read everything too. They make a lot of money.
He called him during class time. Why would he call you on
Oh,
yesterday? He called me just now.
well, okay. You gotta mute yourself.
I want. He said that this wasn't this morning. It was another day. Is this
No,
correct?
no, it's not correct. What he's done is what he does is he switched screens, and what he he does it. We can show his scores again. So this is not even about yesterday. This is just what I caught him doing so far.
Right.
So
So you gonna sit up there and lie? All right, mute your mic so he can finish teaching others.
okay, so where was I at? Canasia. Archie.
You want me to read the career?
Yes, database architect.
Design and build databases to store things like financial information and customer records. Write software to organize and compile information. Sample projects build a database of endangered species to help scientists track migration patterns. Education, bachelor's degree. Skills required you need analysis, decision making, problem solving. The average salary is $85,240.
Okay, and then one more part for your 50 points. I'm trying to get this going. All right, give it a try.
Starting today, create a database of useful information such as all your favorite songs. Brainstorm how best to categorize and structure the information for easy retrieval. Class to take computer science, statistics, information technology. Seek an internship with a local business that
Okay,
uses a database system to manage their business information.
great job. All right, who am I left with? I think Gabriel, you haven't gone, and Robert, you haven't gone. We're almost out of time. So let me click on this here. Gabriel, can you take this one? Video game designer.
Design core features of a video game, develop game and role-play mechanics, storylines, and character biographies, create and maintain design documentation.
Okay, and yeah, keep going, dude. You just stopped.
Samples. Want me to read sample projects?
Yep, it's two of them too. So once you read that, I'm gonna click here. It's gonna give
Sample
you
This
another.
is like
projects develop
this is
develop
like
storyline concepts and
Hold on,
features
hold on,
ideas
Gabriel.
for a
Can
new
I,
video game.
hold on, Gabriel. Canasia, what's going on?
I'm trying to get the kit from the school, and they saying I got to return this computer in order to get that one.
So what do you mean? What computer? The
This
laptop
Chromebook.
you're on?
Yeah.
Right. Oh, well, I don't know about that. I mean, you got to talk to them about that. I'm not sure.
Mm.
I do know you need your kit though. So, Gabriel, finish up with sample projects. I'm sorry.
Sample projects develop storyline concepts and features ideas for a new video game. Education bachelor's degree. Skills required design, problem solving, and programming. Average salary $86,510.
Okay, one more part, Gabe. You're almost through. All right.
Starting today, join or start a video game club to discuss popular games, key features, and new programming technology. Classes today, art or design, computer science, English. Down the road, design your own game using a free online game engine.
Yep. Yeah, y'all could be doing that now, like Minecraft and stuff. Okay, so last person up is going to be Robert. Are you with this, or have you stepped away? Because all I see is your ceiling. Oh, there he is.
I'm here.
Okay. Can
Now that you're an
you?
expert tagger, it's time to put your
Okay,
tags to
so
the
you'll
test
be
and
next.
begin
It's
building
doing something else.
playlists. At this software company, we pride ourselves on the quality of our playlists and correctly predicting our listeners' tastes. No pressure. As you've just begun exploring the connection between meta tags and creating playlists, you'll start by creating a playlist for one listener, Manny. We already know some information or user data about Manny based on his previously played songs and visited websites. We need your analysis skills to determine which new songs he will enjoy. Based on songs he listened to in the past, the recommendation engine knows Manny enjoys country songs. Your task, curate a new playlist for him to enjoy. figure out what other tags best describe his musical tastes.
Okay, here's another opportunity for points. Let's see what we can do. So,
Thanks to the tagging work you did earlier, the database has selected a number of songs that Manny may like. Since the algorithm needs to classify many songs quickly and doesn't have your ears, you'll just use the tags and not the live music to determine which songs are a good fit. If you think Manny will like the song based on the tags, click and drag the song to his profile to add it to his playlist. If not, skip it to receive a
based upon what we've already categorized for Manny a while back, what is the next track or tag I should use? All right, Robert. So what do you think? You got this was done way earlier, right? And they said, hey, okay, he likes it a little bit. And the categories is rock and calm, right? So we put this here, and everybody should be like doing this with me if you at this part. Let's see if I can put it back. Okay.
Be sure to choose carefully. If
See,
Manny doesn't like
that
the
wasn't
song you've
right.
chosen, he may switch to another music service, or worse,
So I just
tell
wanted to
his
show
friends
you how to
leave
do that,
too.
Robert, okay?
Keeping
Now
our
you gotta
listeners
tell me
happy
if I'm gonna
is really
skip
important to
the
our
song
company's
or I'm gonna
success
choose a
and
song.
your success
Okay.
as a playlist curator.
All
Okay,
right.
so you said what? Okay, Carmelo raised his hand. So Robert, what do you which one do you think? Should I skip this song or should I add it?
Add it.
Okay, let's see. Very good. You paid attention to the category. How about this one?
Add that one too, because it's rock.
Okay, you go next, Larry. Okay, so add this one. Let's see if you're right. You
Come
get
on, man.
10 if it's right, 5 if it's not. Oh, you got the 10 points. Okay. I gotta give somebody else, Robert. You try but make sure y'all do this on your own to get maximum points. Okay,
What's I'm
so
not doing the last one? The last two?
you want to do the last two.
I'm saying I'm not.
No, I was gonna give it to Larry and then Carmelo. I'm trying to
Oh,
spread the wealth. You trying to do all of them. So Larry, I saw you raise your hand, but you put it down, and then the same thing with Carmelo. Is that
I got this. I got this. All right.
okay? And then Carmelo, I'll come to you next because we got 2 more slots. All right. So do I choose this song or do I skip this song?
All right, skip this. Skip this.
Okay. How
Uh,
about now? Do I
yep,
choose
yep,
this song or do I skip it?
yep. This is a song. This is a song.
You said,
Yikes.
ooh.
Turns out he really would.
So he liked that because you saw something in that category, right? So what about this one?
It's country and sad. He's not gonna like it.
This country?
And sad. He's not gonna like it. He's not gonna like it. No.
Which one, man? Skip or no?
Yeah, skip it.
Okay.
And then country and call. No, skip it. Skip it. Wait.
Boy.
Yeah. That this might be it. This might be it.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
All right. He said, wait. Waiting for it to go. Okay, you got your 10 points, dude. Carmelo, you next, man. You got to tell me if I'm gonna choose this song or if I'm gonna skip it.
Choose. No, I'll skip it.
Okay.
Yikes. Turns out he really would have liked that song, even though not all attributes are the same.
All right, give it another try, because he would have liked that song. How about this one?
This is the same one.
Same one?
No. No. Put it up there.
So put it in there?
Yeah.
Okay. You got it, dude.
Now that the playlist is complete, analyze the user's preferences and add tags so that the recommendation engine algorithm can more accurately recommend songs to this user.
Points. We got to use our eyeballs and then look at what they have as categories and add that to the 3 categories that he has not selected. All right. So let's see what we got. Move this out the way. And just hit the plus dial. So what is one of the categories that should go here? And then we got to review our objective twice. You say what?
Rock.
Okay, so let's see if we can find rock. All right. So do they got rock in here? It don't say rock.
Oh.
But it looks like there's icons, right? So if you look at the images, you say what, Carmelo?
Cause in our rocks in our rock session, it says freaking Bobby Joe.
Okay, let me say frequent Barley Joe. Who? Oh, you talking about Bobby Joel here? And then you got the unicorns, and I'm going by this icon here. So, Carmelo, which one are you choosing?
Uh, Bobby Joe.
Okay, he said it like it was funny. So, Bobby Joel. Nope, it said it's not correct. What else could you be?
Brett Scott.
Brent Scott. Let's see here. Where is that at?
He's below Bobby Joe.
Oh, okay. You did it, dude. So you see, how you just find the icons that match. All right, now what about this section? We're almost out of time. So, what type of tempo? That was the red, right?
It was
So, who would? Oh, you taking it again, Carmelo? Okay. What'd you say?
happy.
Happy. All right. Okay. All right. Anybody else wants to take this last one because we're running out of time?
I'm
What is the
taking.
last category?
Energizing.
Oh, that was Gabriel. Nope. Energizing wasn't right. Man, no one can figure this one out.
The
Thought
first.
right. It's love songs.
Love songs?
No,
No.
that's the first one.
Oh,
Acoustic.
Acoustic? Okay.
Good job. As you make decisions based on similar meta tags, you're practicing
We're
content
out of
filtering,
time. All right.
a data filtering method that is based on making recommendations based on items with similar tags, properties, or keywords.
Okay. So I'm going to stop here, but you guys have to go through the rest of the material and finish it up by 8 p.m. There's a score you will see that tracks how well you do.
Hey, Mr.
Um,
Taylor,
yes, who's that?
Jay.
Go ahead.
I just finished it, but I think I need to retake it though.
Okay. Well,
'Cause I got a
yeah.
40.
You talking about you want to see your score?
Yeah.
Okay, that's Mr. Rush. I'll have to stop sharing. Let's do the objective first, and he can show you all scores again. I gotta share this tab. I'm waiting for the tab to show y'all. Did it switch? Yeah, it switched. Okay. And let's see. I need the objective and the words written read twice. So that's two people that can read it. We covered a lot. I didn't want to go right into it because we was having fun. But who would like to read the objective? And this is for 20 points. And then someone else can read it again, and that's 20 points. Okay, that's Jalen. Go for it.
Today's objective, student be able to utilize Everfire Endeavor software to be able to analyze perfect playlist concepts, custom terminal days, math, operators, order days, insight.
All right. So who else? Jalen got 20 there. Just need to read this. What's on the screen one more time? Who would like to be that lucky person?
Mathematical. The classroom term of the day is mathematical operators.
Okay, you didn't read the rest of it.
Oh, my fault.
All right, start with today's objective up top.
Today's objective, student would be able to utilize Everify Endeavor software to be able to analyze perfect playlist concepts. Classroom term of the day is mathematical operators. Word of the day is insight.
All right, Mr. Rush, are you available? Can you share your screen? I'm gonna stop sharing, so they can take a look at where they're at, how far they've made it. If you've been going through the stuff with me,
Yep.
everybody.
All right, hold on.
So he'll have the accurate scores. You can always reach out to him on SB. In case you think I put the wrong score in, all I'm doing is taking it from Mr. Rush and putting it in the system. That's all I'm doing. And Rush, you can tell them, ooh, I see some improvements. Or is that my eyes playing tricks on me?
Well, we about to refresh it and see
Okay.
see exactly what it is.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
There's some
Okay, we
improvement.
got some 40s. We got, let's see here, Gabriel. He's getting something done. Archie's got more points than everybody. I mean, she's really been paying attention.
Right.
So y'all gotta get higher than you gotta get at least an 80. I see some scores. Oh, who is it? Jalen? He did, didn't he? What's Jalen's name at? Stucky.
Rob ain't got no score. What's going on, Rob?
I don't know, man. I don't know what he was doing.
Rob was answering all the questions on the actual video.
Yeah, he got participation point. I hope you remember those answers. That's what I'm saying. Do this with me, y'all. Um, did Stucky improve? I'm trying to see that.
Let me see. Stucky 40. No, he didn't.
Okay, so you gotta do both
Change.
over Jalen because you went in and did something.
Hard.
All right, so you got nothing there. But if you go through and take your time, you get a higher score. The same thing with this 40 you got so far for perfect playlist. It's got to be in the 80s. So you see Kanar, it's possible. You just got to take your time and answer those questions correctly. If you jump past a question or something like that, it's gonna hurt. Last thing is Townhouse. Let me make sure you have the link for it. Everybody should be registered. Let me get this here. Grab this info. All right, some lucky student can read what's going to be in the chat in 1 second. It's about GGI and Townhouse. Please attend. It really helps you because it helps us understand how you think and help us, navigate you better throughout this world. So who would like to read what's in the chat? Nobody wants these points. It's like 15 points. You gotta do is read. It says Townhouse and GGI. We're almost out of here. All right, I'll call on a name.
Townhouse and
Oh,
GGI
go ahead.
is mandatory for all students. Life skill class. Also, there are tons of awesome opportunities that students can take advantage of. Log in today and gain some extra credit for participating. See that's code is later on today. See.
There you go, Sam. So that very last link that says https://meet.google, that is your GGI link. If I were you, I would click on it. Not go in the room yet, but bookmark it. Save it for later. Starts at 11:15. All right, so it's 9:56. I want to give everybody time to get ready for the next period, which starts at 10:10. So try to be there and be on time and improve these scores because these are project scores. All right, this is totally new software. You're going to be using it for a little bit longer, but this is a way to boost some of those scores before the quarter ends, which is probably 2.5 weeks. Rush, you had something you want to add?
No, everybody check y'all SBs. I'm gonna be throwing in a link for a survey that you guys gotta complete. It's a small survey concerning the school. That's all.
Does
There's points for that.
Wait, does the quarter end before or after spring break?
I want to say afterwards.
Okay, that's good.
I had did it already.
You did it already? The survey, Archie?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
And spring break.
Who pulled you out? Hey Archie, who asked you to do it? How you get the link? Somebody sent it to you?
Yeah.
All right, cool. That's good. All right then.
Mr. Tyler.
Yes, sir.
Spring break start week after next, right?
I think you're right.
Yeah, it's been 2 weeks. It's been 2 weeks. It's after next week.
Yeah, right.
So next week's last week, yeah. All right.
Yeah. So y'all got like all that spring break to get caught up to. Yeah, so it starts then. But get to your next period or get ready for it. So I gotta shut this room down. See you next period, Jalen. Work on that other part too. So you gotta get in your ice hockey stuff. Gabriel, you with us? Are you there? Your camera's dark, so I don't know. Gabriel, class is over with. Did you step away? Okay, I think he did. Anyway, it's 9:58. Let me stop this recording.